Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and wedding seasons is round the corner. So I thought in my previous video I have shared some of my clothing recommendations for you all and you guys seem to love it. So this time I went to Amazon and I was like looking for some amazing clothing again, but then I realized that by just wearing clothes on an occasion or on wedding is not sufficient. You need to have a complete look. Of course makeup is always there, but along with makeup your shoes do matter, your jewelry does matter, bag that you carry does really make your look together, put together. So I thought why not to share some of my favorite jewelry with you guys, and that also at a budget, guys. Of course at a budget which I think my entire jewelry nothing has exceeded more than 400 rupees. यार आजकल 400 में आता ही क्या है, but if you get some amazing jewelry pieces then why not. So if you are new to this channel, then hi guys, my name is Menka and on this channel we mainly talk about skincare, hair care, makeup and beauty related stuff. But recently I have started my hauls, fashion and beauty. This is my first jewelry haul. I hope you like it, and if you do like it then I would try to create more jewelry hauls, and I also do share my vlogs wherein I include my family and everyone closed ones, so that you guys are more, so that we get a little bit personal, you understand me, right? So without wasting any further time, let's get started and let's see what jewelry pieces I picked up, and I hope you enjoy them too. So my first jewelry piece is what I am wearing. These beautiful earrings and this amazingly sexy neck piece. So this is how it is looking. You know, this piece, when I saw first, the only thing I could imagine was a black sexy sari or black sexy gown. नथिंग एल्स गाइज. ये उसके साथ इतना ब्यूटिफुली कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेगा. ऑल्दो ये इसके साथ भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, एंड ये इंडियन वेयर के साथ, यू नो, इफ यू आर वेयरिंग अ लहंगा चोली या फिर साड़ी विथ वेरी डीप नेक ब्लाउज, उसके साथ भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. बट आई थिंक ब्लैक कलर वुड जस्ट ब्रिंग इट आउट लाइक नोबडी एल्स. सो यू नो, लाइक ये इतना सुंदर लगेगा. आप अगर, यू नो, इफ यू वेयर इट एंड यू गो आउट, यू वुड बी center of attraction for everyone, guys, trust me on that. So yeah, and also when you are wearing such kind of jewelry, try a kind of makeup जिसमें, यू नो, स्मोकी आईज करके न्यूड लिप्स कर दो, तो फिर तो सोने पे सुहागा ही हो जाना है. आई डू अंडरस्टैंड कि वेडिंग्स में अपने को ब्लैक नहीं अलाउ करते, तो नेवी ब्लू गाउन के साथ या फिर नो लाइक मरून गाउन के साथ, ओ हो यार, बहुत ज्यादा ही अच्छा लगने वाला है. यू कैन इजीली वेयर इट ऑन एंगेजमेंट नाइट या फिर रिसेप्शन वाली रात पे भी इसको पहन सकते हो, तभी भी बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर लगेगा. प्राइसेस आई वुड बी लीविंग इट समवेयर ऑन द स्क्रीन, प्लीज डू चेक आउट, बिकॉज Amazon की प्राइसेस हर बार चेंज होती रहती है. एंड अभी भी करंटली ऑन 27, मतलब जब मैं बोल रही हूँ आपको, तभी भी Amazon पे मेगा सेल चल रही है, विच वुड गो ऑन 26, 27 एंड 28 ऑफ नवंबर. उसमें आपको अमेजिंग डील्स कुछ मिलने वाली है. सो आई होप यू डू नॉट मिस दैट चांस एंड यू बाय the product, that is this jewelry, from the link that I have given in the info box below. So don't forget to check that out. If you liked this jewelry, then please go ahead and buy this, because ये बहुत प्यारी मुझे लगी थी. So my second purchase are these beautiful hoops. If you know me, you know that I love hoops. मतलब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आते हैं hoops, because you know you can carry it easily with Indian wear, with your western wear, with jeans के साथ भी, gown के साथ, proper Indian wear के साथ भी बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. But these hoops are studded with diamonds, and like being a Sindhi girl, you know the love for diamonds. Like although ये नकली वाले हैं, we love real diamonds. So yeah, so these hoops are studded with diamonds. Now these are perfect for ring ceremony or cocktail party. according to me. But if you can carry it out in any of the event, you can definitely go ahead with that. These would look so beautiful with the high ponytail, again with smoky eyes, nude lips, and then if you are wearing some even beige color के ड्रेस के साथ या फिर डार्कर कलर के साथ ड्रेस के साथ भी बहुत सुंदर लगेगा ये इयररिंग्स. ऑल्दो आई मस्ट टेल यू ऑल कि हुप्स ज़्यादा चब्बी चीक्स पे अच्छा नहीं लगता, बिकॉज वो ऑलरेडी अपने जो फेस होता है वो चीक्स एंड फेस ऑलरेडी राउंड होता है, तो उसको वो और राउंड कर देता है. बट देन आई एम एब्सोल्युटली फाइन विद दैट. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अगर मैं थोड़ी सी एक्स्ट्रा चबी लगूँ तो, बट देन बिकॉज आई रियली लव दीज हुप्स. So my third purchase are these beautiful green, pista green dangler earrings. These are from the brand Zaveri Pearls. I think most of my purchases are from Zaveri Pearls, and also the jewelry that you've seen me wearing mostly in my sister's wedding is also from Zaveri Pearl, especially the kundan neck piece that I was wearing on the reception day. I would be leaving the picture somewhere on the screen. Was from Zaveri Pearls, guys. I love their jewelry like nobody's business. These dangler earrings are also quite huge. So इसके ऊपर आप लोग को not necessarily कि neck piece पहनना ही है. If I would have been going for a wedding, I wouldn't have been wearing any neck piece when I'm wearing such huge danglers. So my fourth purchase are these beautiful bangles, like dazzling bangles. This is a set of 4. So this one has a marble effect, this one is normal, but ये ना टेढ़ा आया है from here. If you can see कि ये पूरा का पूरा टेढ़ा है. This one has a beehive, something like that design, and this one is triangle, but इसका जो hook है उसमें problem हो रहा है. It's not opening well, so I might return it as well. But other than that, if you see it like this is looking so cool, so like girlish kind of thing. Like if you have a daughter who's a teenager and usko just abhi if you want her to start wearing some jewelry so that even she looks quite put together, you can get this one for her. Other than that, even if it's a college going girl, she can carry it very well. I wouldn't just be wearing, अगर ये पूरा सेट अच्छे से होता था तो I wouldn't have been just wearing it to wedding function. I would have easily worn it to with my one piece के साथ, or even at times with my jeans, because I am a person who wears watches most of the time. So but yeah, then this I really liked this one, other than like the problem that I've mentioned. But yeah, I loved the design. I might change it or get it replaced. I hope you enjoyed this video of mine, which is in collaboration with My Haul Store. And if you do purchase any of the jewelry, then don't forget to tag me and do let me know what were your favorite purchase or what are your favorite part of pieces of jewelry. All the links of the products would be in the info box below, and do not forget to buy it from sale, because I feel sale is the best time to buy whatever you wish, because extra discounts मिल जाते हैं. So here I end my video. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I hope you have amazing wedding functions at your place you enjoy with your family and friends. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. Love you all so much.